Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna teach y'all how to do your laundry for free. All right, it's really easy. Step one, you gotta join the Navy. See, we at the NGIS. yeah, you just gonna see. You just gonna see how we do it. They got maids and shit, like handing out towels and like toilet paper. Bro, put the camera up here, bro.
Oh, he's stealing! He's stealing!
Okay, hold on, gang. You know, first leg, we got a fucking towel and shit.
Boy, if you
Three. On two. And oh shit. Mother. What the fuck is that? We out. Bro, this is the ugliest dog I've seen in my life, bro. What the oh shit.
Man, I shouldn't have bought you. I'm just trying to fuck.
Now we got a dog with us and shit. Hey, get off strangers, dude. Sorry about that. Anyways. No. Get the fuck on. Nah, get the fuck on.
Oh yes, Dad.
What the f? Look at this shit. Right here. Yes, sir. And all this shit. You got like these fucking coffee cakes and shit like that. I got fucking veggies in this motherfucker. Hold on. Like carrots and shit. Yes, sir. All for free, bro. That's what I'm saying. If you can ever sneak on a military base, do it because you can get shit for free. And man, what we finna hit today in the gym? Finna hit chest and motherfucking triceps a little bit, you know what I'm saying? See how much I actually weigh out here. Hold on. God damn, I'm fat as hell. What's up? 205 pounds. Just gonna see if I can do it. Now. Let me see if I can lift this. Probably can. Yes, sir. Push that bitch.
Hey, you just fucking suck.
Dude, I ain't gonna lie. You got it, you got it. I know you see this with all the babe. Sir. Hey, yo, guys, get in your pose. Get in your pose. Yes, sir. Well, I know you see the sharky shit. You know, the $50 Amazon babe hoodie. Yes, sir. The $720 babe hoodie.
Paid actual money for this shit.
They made me crash out. I ain't gonna hit the block. When I hit the block, you know I'm finna go the second sock. Yeah.
Wait, so what are we watching on Hulu?